Good morning, students. So, today we will complete this chapter of cash book and question number 8 I would like to solve. So, here we need to prepare two column cash book of money Kochi. So, let us prepare the format first. Okay, so here we go. So you can divide into two parts: bank column, cash column, then ledger folio and date. Similar format for the credit side: date, then payments, then ledger folio number, then cash and bank columns. So I'll write cash book of Mr. Money Kochi for March 2020. It is debit side: date, receipts, ledger folio number, cash amount and bank amount. Again date, then we have payments, then ledger folio number, cash amount and then bank amount. Okay, so debit and credit both are mentioned. Then here we go. On March 1 it is mentioned cash in hand 15,000, cash at bank 5,000. So it is opening balance 2020 March 1 to balance brought down: cash in hand 15 and cash at bank 5. Next transaction: purchased goods for cash 6720, received cash discount rupees 220. So now here we need to make assumption. So here this 6720, I am assuming that it is the total amount, and since I have received the cash discount I will pay the remaining amount. Okay, तो 6720 में से 220 डिस्काउंट मिल चुका है. So when I purchase the goods for cash, entry is cleared. Cash is going out on March 3. And debit is purchase account. So by purchase account, and in cash we will write 6720 minus 220, so it is 6500. Next is on March 5 deposited cash in bank rupees 5,000. So bank balance will increase, bank debit, and cash is going out, cash credit. It is contra entry on March 5: bank debit, cash credit. So on March 5 bank debit 5,000 and cash credit 5,000. So when bank was debited I will write 2 cash account, I will write C to indicate contra, and when cash was credited on March 5 I will write by bank account, and I will write C for contra. So I hope this concept is clear to everyone. Next we have cash sales 10,000 on March 7. So 10,000 cash I will receive on March 7. So cash account debit to sales account credit. Next is cash withdrawn from bank 2000. Again it is contra entry. Cash withdrawn, so cash is coming in to the business. So cash debit and bank credit March 10, 2000. So cash debit and bank credit, it is on March 10. Cash debit, so I will write to bank account, and bank credit, so I will write by cash account. Okay, then we have on March 15 received 3 months post dated check of 20,000 from Raj and discounted from bank. Now this is very important. Paying discounting charges rupees 750. So if you, let's say, want immediate money from the bank, actually it is post dated check. Post dated check means check is हैविंग द फ्यूचर डेट. फॉर एग्ज़ाम्पल मुझे किसी पर्सन को 3 महीने के बाद पे करना है, तो आज मैं चेक दे देता हूँ, बट चेक में जो तारीख है वो 3 महीने के बाद की होगी. सो फ्रॉम माई बैंक अकाउंट वो 3 महीने के बाद ही पैसे जाएंगे. तो समटाइम्स बिजनेस मैन नीड्स अर्जेंट कैश, तो वी कैन रिक्वेस्ट द बैंक कि लुक, आफ्टर 3 months आई एम गोइंग टू रिसीव दिस 20,000. You please deduct your interest charges or discounting charges and give us the amount right now. So it is discounting of check. I have already explained you the concept of discounting of bills of exchange in my previous video. So it is similar. So here what journal entry is getting passed, कि bank will give you immediate money, okay, but bank will not give you entire 20,000. Bank will give you 19,250 only, because bank will deduct 750 for their charges for giving you earlier payment. So this is expense for a businessman. So this is debited to discounting charges account, and now credit the giver. Who is the giver? Raj. So Raj gave us 20,000. So here I will pass only the entry which is concerning with bank. Discounting charges debit, it will be recorded in journal. So bank debit to Raj 19,250 on March 15th. So bank debit to Raj account 19,250. So in my bank account 19,250 is coming. Bank debit to Raj. Discounting charges will not be recorded here in cash book. Then on March 18 we have the entry received check from Deepak for rupees 5,000, not banked. Not banked means I have not deposited. Allowed discount. So discount allowed is recorded in journal, and when I am receiving the check I am not depositing, then it will also be recorded in journal. But for your kind information, I can share journal entry. Journal entry will be check in hand account debit you treat this as asset to Deepak's account, the person who has given you. So here on March 18, I will not pass any entry in cash book because both the entries will be passed in journal. Next on March 20, I have check received from Deepak deposited in bank. So when I deposit the check, then I will debit bank and credit will go to check in hand account. So bank debit to this earlier debited account will be credited, which is check in hand account. So on March 20, bank debit for 5000 का check. March 20, bank debit to check in hand account. Let us discuss the next transaction. On March 22, paid to Chandra by check rupees 2500 and received discount rupees 100. Actually, this is the amount of check I am assuming, and it is given paid by check 2500. So basically 100 discount will be recorded in journal. My journal entry will be Chandra account debit to bank account 2500 by Tariq. So in 22, Chandra to bank 2500. So bank credit side by Chandra's account 2500. Next is on March 25, withdrew from bank for personal use. So it means drawings account debit to bank 1000. So to bank I will write by drawings account 1000. Then sold goods to Ashok for rupees 10,000. So we need to assume that it is sold in cash, but sorry, name of the party is given, so it is actually on credit. So because name of the party is given, then generally we assume that this sale is on credit, so it will be recorded in journal. Why journal? Because our entry will be Ashok account debit to sales account. So there is no involvement of cash or bank, so I will not record in cash book. Then on March 30, purchased goods from Chandra for rupees 20,000. So here also from Chandra it is mentioned. So it means that it is also a credit transaction, and I will pass entry in journal because when I purchase on credit, my journal entry is purchase account debit to Chandra account. So these both credit transaction entries will not be recorded in cash book. Then on March 31, received check from Ashok rupees 5,000 and deposited in bank. Allowed cash discount rupees 200. So cash discount will be recorded in journal, and I am depositing on the same date. So my entry will be bank debit to Ashok March 31. So bank debit to Ashok's account 5000, and now we have covered all the transactions. So we need to close the cash book and find the closing balance. So here I will prepare these three lines like this to write total amount of that column. We start with cash. So in cash account we know that debit side is always more. So 15 plus 10, 25 plus 2, 27,000. Same amount I will write here, 27,000. And March 31 I will get closing balance, and I will write by balance carried down, and from this I will minus total of credit, which is 11,500. So if I deduct so I am getting 15,500. Let's see. Yes, we have got the correct cash balance, and now we will focus on the bank balance. So in bank also roughly we can say that debit side is more. So 5555 20, so plus 19,250, so it is 39,250. Same total I will write on credit side, 39,250. From that I will minus the total of credit side, which is 2 plus 2,500 plus 1,000, so it is 5,500. So 2 will become 12 minus 5 is 7, 9 will become 8 minus 5 is 3, and 3 was already there, so I got 33750 as the bank balance. Yes, it is correct, 33750. So I hope you are absolutely clear about this question of cash book. Okay, so with this we complete the question of cash book, and if you have any doubt then you please let me know. Okay, so since we have limited time, so we have tried to cover only double column cash book, because single column cash book is very easy and it is indirectly covered by us, and petty cash book, as I told you, is irrelevant or not important topic. So in the end of the year, if we get time, then we can solve one or two question, but petty cash book actually is not followed practically, and accounting is done for petty cash book just like what we have done for the main cash book. Okay, see you in the next video with the new chapter called ledger. Bye bye.